woman has hired a gang to kill two old-aged women. The child informed her father all truth about the murder. Police arrested two persons to nab accused. In Goa, a young woman has brutally murdered her husband's foster family and killed her two aunts, Marta Clementina Lebont Vieira Lobo, with the help of a mercenary on Sunday evening. Goa woman kills husband's aunts, leaving a daughter as a witness. The woman hired someone to kill her husband's aunt. The woman's eldest daughter was a witness to the murder. Rovina Lobo and her partner Suban were arrested by police on Monday morning after Rovina's husband Julio left the house at the time of the incident and lodged a complaint with police. Julio was raised in the care of his aunts Marta and Vera, both of whom were unmarried, and Rovina joined the family at their home after her marriage to Julio. However, relations between him and his aunts quickly deteriorated, and amid allegations that she was being harassed by his aunts, this led to the assassination being planned. The family lived in the village of Siolim in North Goa, while Julio's parents live in another house in the same village. Rovina Suban appointed Rajapalli to kill them because the two aunts did not have a good relationship with her for a long time. They committed this murder with sharp weapons, said Police Inspector Suraj Karwas. The couple has two children, a 7-year-old daughter and a 1-year-old son, the eldest of two, who are eyewitness to the murders and complained to his father when he returned home, which led to the complaint. The woman and her partner left the crime scene with her youngest child and left the elder. Both have been arrested.
And they were found to be dead. Immediately investigation was started and teams were created under both the PIs Suraj and Tushar, which was supervised by SDPO Gajanan, and we were not able to locate the wife of Julio, and her younger son. So immediately we started searching, and during the search we found the lady Rovina with one person called Suban Rajballi, and we brought both of them for questioning. During questioning they confessed that they had planned the murder of the two women because there was some ongoing family dispute and they had some old issues going on, and we have recovered a koita, and we have also done forensic examination of the spot.